apartment in the Alps. We're in Garmisch, Germany, and it's a pretty cool little place. All of the houses look like this, by the way. So I'm here in Wertheim, Germany. This is actually the place where my family is from. There's a castle up on the hill. That's my heritage. Let's check it out. So we're walking up to Wertheim Castle right now, and it's at the top of the hill, and this is an old castle that was built I don't know how many years ago. It looks like it's actually kind of a bit more of a ruin than a castle now, and most of the windows are out. There's not really a roof or ceiling, but we'll check it out when we get up there. Welcome to Germany, German Alps, in Bavaria.
Don't stop. Okay, I won't stop. It's tipping. I'm too nervous. I keep breaking.
Good? Sehr gut. We are here at Neuschwanstein. It's a big castle in Bavaria, in Fussen, Germany. Actually, what I did learn was that he had it designed by people from the theater, and then had engineers come in and make it structurally sound, which is kind of cool. That's why it looks so whimsical.
So we took a bus up here for €3, and then it was about a 5-minute hike to the up a hill to the famous bridge, and then about another 5-minute hike up to this spot here.
Yep, so it's definitely doable. If you do make it across the bridge, we definitely recommend this hike up to this little lookout. It's much more secluded, away from the crowds.
What's the name of this town?
It's like Berchtesgaden. It's where Hitler lived.
Where his eagle's nest was.
And it's got incredible mountains.
We just had dinner at the Hofbrauhaus, which I personally think means restaurant, but maybe not.
I don't know. We can look it up.
I only say that because there were signs everywhere that said it, and we had the hardest time finding it.
Yeah.
It finally stopped raining too. So now we're gonna go for a little drive, see the rest of the city. Before we head down to Salzburg tomorrow.
Yeah.
Salzburg.
Yeah.
Salzburg. All right. Power walking through Salzburg. I have the money to add into our parking meter. Now I just have to remember where we parked. We're going to see the cows with their bells. I got a fever. Only prescription. Small cowbells.
Holly thought they were a band playing music for the cows.
That's what it sounded like.
What you working on?
Just doing some laundry. Getting enough clean underwear until we get to Rome where we'll have a washing machine.
And I brought my laundry. So on the way, we saw a laundromat, and so we parked next to it, and I walked in and walked right back out because it was not a laundromat. It was a washing machine store where they sold washing machines like how random was that. And now we're here. I'm going to go to bed, so good night. Cheers.
Cheers.